Good morning, all you cool cats and kittens, and welcome to another episode of Science TV with Mr. C. I'm your host, Mr. C. And today we're on location. We're actually in my classroom. So that's exciting, right? For our assignment today, we're going to go to the calendar as usual. We're going to see what's there. Right here it says it's going to be up to 60 today. That'll be nice. 63. These might be old. We'll see. Super foggy out there, though, right now, so we're on a 2-hour delay. That's why your video's coming to you late. In class, or for class, I guess I should type this. It's James Watt and horsepower. We're going to follow this link, and we're going to see that it says answer the 3 questions in the submission box provided for you. At the top right, there'll be an answer blue box, I believe it is, here for you to submit your answer. Click that and answer the 3 questions there. Please use the paragraphs, both of them, to answer the questions. Pretty easy. Next is a little more work than this one, but it's pretty easy. It is the fossil fuel production and use here. For that, you click on it. It's going to take you to a link. We're going to make a copy. Looks something like this. Make sure you share this and you submit the link. Tables show the amount of fossil fuels produced in the United States from 1957 to 2007. The numbers represent quadrillions of BTUs, which is also known as British thermal units, and they're used for measuring energy. We are going to calculate the total amount of fossil fuels produced each year. You're going to enter the results in the table. Then you're going to answer the questions. Again, make sure you share and submit it. Now, you can, if you want, add these numbers together to get the result here. That's what it's asking you to do. If you want to do it by hand, by calculator, that's fine. Me, since it's already a spreadsheet, I'm going to use the tools available to me. I know that you can add numbers together by using the equals sum function. We're going to do that. We want to add the coal, oil, and natural gas from 1957 and see how much was total produced. It was 38.9. We'll go ahead and center that value to make the table look a little nicer. And instead of putting the equals sum these 3 values again through, what we'll do is we'll drag that formula down, and that gives us all the results we're looking for. If you do it that way, you will need to come up here and fix that box because it wasn't underlined. This is the amount of fossil fuel production BTUs. This part here, we're going to fill out the table for it as well. It's going to be the same formula, equals sum, parenthesis, those 3, press enter, center, drag it down. Make sure there's a line at the bottom of this table, or this box. It's done. 13 says to use your totals to make a bar graph. We're actually going to make 2 bars on this bar graph. Plot the years on the horizontal axis, that's across the bottom, and the amount of fossil fuels used on the vertical, the up and down. Make 2 bars for each year. So 1967, for 1967, yeah, we'll have 2 bars, one for production, one for use. Use colors and shadings for the bars. Give the graph a title and a key. Make sure the graph is included in your submission. Now, if you would like, you can take pictures of your bar graphs and do it by hand. That is completely up to you. If you don't, if you want to use the tool like we just did for the sums, you can do that as well. The way I know how to do it is you highlight all the cells you want to be part of the graph. We're talking about total numbers here, the total produced and total produced. So we're going to use the control button so we can highlight different cells that are not connected. Like that. We'll then go to Insert, Chart, and there we have it. Now we want to make sure we get the years added to the bottom here. You may have to mess around with this a little bit to get there, but that's kind of the gist of it. Once you have your bar graph done, make sure you drag it away from your other responses so I can see everything. And again, make sure you submit and share. Don't forget, we need to have the years down here. Okay? If there are any questions, I'll be happy to help you with that. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope I see you today later on GimKit again at 10 and at 10:30. We'll run 2 sessions of it, and I'll try to get a Google Hangout for it so we can talk to each other. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.